Nebuchadnezzar was the king of Babylon. One day, Nebuchadnezzar made a tall gold statue.
It's so beautiful. Like, look at it.
His officials made an announcement to all the people of Babylon.
When you hear the music, you must bow down and worship the image.
And whoever doesn't will be thrown. Sorry. Will be thrown into the fiery furnace.
So when the people heard music, they fell down and worshipped the gold statue. But not everyone bowed down and worshipped. 3 friends from Judah, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, refused to bow down to the statue. Some of the people complained to King Nebuchadnezzar.
You made a rule for all the people.
But some of the men just do not bow down and worship your statue.
This news made King Nebuchadnezzar angry.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, get in here right now. Is it true that you do not serve my gods or worship the gold statue? If you do not bow down when you hear the music, I will throw you into a fiery furnace. Then, what god could rescue you from my power?
The 3 friends explained that their God was the one true God.
King, the God we serve is able to save us from your fiery furnace.
He can save us from you.
But even if God chooses not to rescue us, we won't serve your gods.
We
We will not bow down and worship the statue.
King Nebuchadnezzar was even angrier. He made the fire 7 times hotter than normal. Then he told some of his soldiers to tie up Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego.
You look familiar.
I know.
It's a low-budget production.
Then the soldiers threw the friends into the fiery furnace. The fire was so hot, it killed the soldiers.
In you go!
Time to die.
Suddenly, King Nebuchadnezzar jumped up.
Wait, didn't we tie up the 3 men and throw them into the fire?
Uh-huh.
Look, I see 4 men walking around in the fire.
Uh-oh.
They aren't tied up, and the 4th man looks like the son of the gods.
Yeah.
Nebuchadnezzar quickly went as close to the door of the furnace as he could without getting burned.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, servants of the Most High God, come here.
So Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego came out of the fire.
You're not even hurt. You don't even smell like smoke.
Nebuchadnezzar praised God.
The God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego sent an angel and rescued his servants.
King Nebuchadnezzar made a new law for all the people.
Anyone who says anything against their God will be punished. No other God can save people like this. You shall have higher positions than before. Come along now.
God showed himself faithful to the 3 friends, even though he did not keep them from being put in the fiery furnace. Instead, God showed his power to King Nebuchadnezzar and everyone who was watching that day. God was with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego in that fire. Only he could rescue them. God rescues us too, through his Son. Jesus' sacrifice on the cross provided the only way for us to be rescued from sin and have eternal life.
My mind went blank.
Bow down and
worship your statue.
And they don't even eat bacon.
Smoke.
We found this.
Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, get in here right now!
Yes, Mother?
What? Now, when you hear the music, I will throw you into a fiery furnace. Then, what God could rescue my beard.
A fiery furnace.
Okay, Benny.
We will not bow,
Will
down,
not bow down
and worship,
worship
this
the statue.
What they said.
This is a statue.
King, the God we serve is Abel's. Abel's.
Okay.
Yeah.
You look familiar.
Come on!
Okay, Mom. You're off. You stepped back and you're off camera.
That's where we should stop.
Cool.
The God of Rakshak and Benny sent an angel to protect them.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. I was trying to recite my lines and God.
What?
Anyone who says anything against Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, God will be. I was doing so well. Anyone who says anything against their God will be punished. No other God can save people like this.